Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. Operators are used to perform operation on variable and values. PHP divides operator in the following groups: arithmetic operator, assignment, comparison, increment, decrement, logical, string, array, conditional assignment operators. In arithmetic operators, we use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus operator for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. The assignment operators are used with the numeric values to write a value to a variable. The basic assignment operator is equal sign. It means that the left operand gets set to the value of the assignment expression on the right. Comparison operators are used to compare two values, number or string. We use the double equal sign. It returns true if x is equal to y. And if we use 3 equal sign operator, it also you check out the type of two variables which are being compared. Not equal to sign and not equal sign, those are actually same. Similarly, we use explanation sign and two equal sign for the not identical, which includes actually not equal to y values for the x and also to check the type. Greater than, return true if x is greater than y. Less than, it returns true if x is less than y. Greater than or equal to, return true if x is greater than or equal to y value. Less than or equal to, return true if x is less than or equal to y. PHP increment decrement operators are used to increment a variable or are used to decrement a variable values. So this operator is a pre-increment. It increments x by 1, then returns x value. So if we use this operator, it is post-increment, returns x, then increment x by 1. Note that difference between these two operators is that it actually first increment, then give us the value of x. And in post increment, it actually returns x, then next it increment its value. PHP string operators. PHP has two operators that are specially designed for string. First one is the concatenation, second one is the concatenation assignment. Similar, if we have arithmetic operator for the integer values, for the number values, we have concatenation operator for the concatening of strings. So we have two strings in this example. We want them to concat. So I will use this concatenation operator, and which is equal to something text 1 is equal to text 1 dot dollar text 2. We have a result hello world. And if I change the variable values and comment the first operator and check out the second type, of code, it will be same as like the first one.